you're a sports fan, you don't want to miss 1 second of the action. Now, you can receive real-time score alerts and notifications for your favorite teams with Sportsalert. Let's get started. First, press the home button on your magic remote. Click the Sportsalert app. Select your teams by clicking Add My Team, and then choose your favorite sports leagues and teams. Now your teams are all set. Time to set up your alerts. Click Alarm Settings. Would you like to be alerted when the score changes? You can set notifications to tell you before a game starts, when a team scores, and when a game ends. You've just received an alert. You will never miss a game update using Sportsalert. If you want to switch to the game, click Watch and enjoy the game. Want to find out more about your teams, like upcoming matches or related videos, like game highlights? Click Search Web to find more information about your team. Scroll through the schedule of future games. Check out previous game highlights on YouTube. Stay up to date with your favorite teams and sports.